Welcome to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. In taking venture funding, the startup has also taken the VC's business model. The VC must provide the limited partners a venture-level return. It's a high-risk, high-reward endeavor. A venture-level return requires the following: continually raising funding. Startups will need to raise funding all the way to the exit to achieve the milestones. This can be challenging as venture sectors move in and out of favor over time. Dilution. The founders will find they are continually diluting their positions on each round of funding. As the valuation grows, the dilution becomes less, but hopefully the pie is getting bigger to offset it. Selling before full potential. The VC must return funds to the limited partners and need exits to do so. Most funds are on a 10-year cycle. At some point, the LP will require an exit even if the business is not at its full potential. VC funding brings with it venture risk and the costs associated with a high-growth company. Consider these points before taking VC funding. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start listening to today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early-stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.